I'm going to capture the number one reason why I use ClickUp and why I think that your ability to move information from your email to a platform is like the smoothest in ClickUp in comparison to many of the other productivity apps that I love to use. So I've got an email from a new software company or a new platform I've signed up for, and I do keep track of this in a database. I want to be able to see upcoming renewals, general spend, and things like that. This is how I do regular maintenance of that when I'm using ClickUp. So because of the ClickUp Browser Extension, I can turn this email into a record in ClickUp. I know that it's going to include a screenshot of the email, and I can create that new record. Because I'm using the browser extension, I can find exactly where it belongs inside of ClickUp. And then I'm going to take notes inside of the description that matter to me. So, I could record something like, $100 a year, 5 seats, one company login. And then I can, anything that I might later need to fill in inside of that database in ClickUp, I can record that here. And then once I submit that, it's linked back to my email. So the browser extension creates that link. Anytime I open that email up, it'll help me jump right to where it belongs inside of ClickUp. And then here in ClickUp, I can go back and adjust my fields. Those notes that I may have found or might be inside of the email itself are really easy to just copy over. So in this way, I can maintain my databases, the information, the structure that I have. I can maintain my system. I can maintain accurate information about what I'm subscribed to and when without having to do like long sit down data reconciliations once a quarter or once a year. It's just super seamless. So until another app can really talk to me and my email in such a smooth way, ClickUp's the clear winner.